How to pay safely on Alibaba.com using Trade Assurance. Paying safely on Alibaba.com using Trade Assurance is the smartest way to protect your money when buying from suppliers. And in today's video, we are giving you a clear practical guide so that you do not make any costly mistakes. So what we can do is we can start by going to Alibaba.com and go to our My Alibaba section here, open it up. And once you are here, you can head over the order space. So let's go to order section, and there we can find the specific order and go to the product details section and find the specific order that you would like to start the process for. Otherwise, you can also select a product from your main screen and specifically find the order space, go to the order page like this and head over and go to the detail section. And you can add the specific product and go ahead with the process of checking out. And while checking out, ensure that, confirm that it's the exact product details, size, material, color, and model, quantity, total price, shipping method and delivery time, and the quality requirements, because these details are your protection proof. If it's not returned, you are not covered. After that, you can start paying. You pay and Alibaba will hold the money. You can start paying and suppliers ships and meet terms. Money is released only if everything is okay, and you should be able to get a refund as well. After that, while you are, purchasing the product, you can ask the supplier for trade assurance order as well directly with the supplier, and that is also possible. But usually you can look out for the pay now option inside Alibaba and directly get this option for trade assurance, and you can choose a method and click on this option called pay now, and that way you should be getting a protection while you are doing orders in Alibaba. So that's it, everybody. For now, we hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more.